Tap on the Ezitracker app to open it. Tap in the PIN box to enter in your PIN. Tap OK. From the status page, swipe across. Tap on Messages in the top right corner. There are two categories for messages, General and Schedule. Unread messages appear as bold. Tap on the message you wish to read. A schedule message can only be acknowledged. Tap on Acknowledge. To create a new message, tap on the three lines in the bottom left corner. Tap Message. Tap in the text box to bring up the keyboard. Use the back button to close the keyboard. Tap Send. Your message will appear under the General heading. To check for new messages, tap the three lines in the bottom left corner. Tap Sync Now. Tap on the General message to open it. To reply, tap in the text box at the bottom of the page. Use the back button to close the keyboard. Tap Reply. Read messages will disappear after 7 days. Unread messages will stay bolded until they are opened.